Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Here I am Zenani, and welcome. Be sure to hit that below, like, comment, subscribe. Today we are going to be doing a frontal blend. So I'm just going to go ahead. I already done this in my time countdown. I'm just putting makeup on it. So I'm just going to jam to a little music. I had to mute it because I didn't want to get copyright. But we have this frontal that I had used for a frontal ponytail before. So all I did was dye it. It was a hot pink, but we dyed it 99J. And we're going to get right into this shit. For this video, we'll be using Ghost Bond and a little of Ebony. Okay, now that the glue is clear, we're going to put this lace on. We're going to slay our stuff and put our stuff in a period. And all I'm doing right here is just touching up the little parts that are up. Nothing too major. Then I'm going to go behind that and put some glue the back of it now. And then we're going to go ahead and put these tracks in my head and slay her. All I'm doing here is just measuring the back of my head, filling with my fingers, and we're just going to go up as a U, a C, however you want to do it. Like, just curve it so when you comb or put your hair back, you won't see your tracks. I think after the hair came back, I was just feeling myself or whatever.